How to add shape divider in Wix Studio. So in order to add shape divider in Wix Studio, just double click the actual layer or the part of the section that you want to add a shape divider. From in there, you can see in here this icon. This is the shape divider icon. Click on that and then it will open this. So you can choose between eclipse, tilt, and all of those shape dividers that we can see right there. So for this case, I'll choose in here this eclipse and it should be able to be added right here. You can also put it on above the actual case or above the actual section that it's been added into, and you should be able to see it added, and here it is right here. So that's how you actually add shape divider in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.